Hi there, this is Sana, and welcome to Salonist Academy. To get started with Salonist, the first thing you'll need to do is create your account and activate your free trial. This will give you access to all the tools you need to start setting up and managing your business from day one. Begin by heading over to the Salonist website. Once you're there, click on the sign up button to start the process. You'll then be asked to enter some basic details about your business. Start by adding your business name followed by your address, email, and phone number. After that, go ahead and create a secure password for your account. Next, you'll need to provide a few more details to help set up your account correctly. This includes the number of branches your business has, as well as the size of your team. For example, you can enter how many locations you operate and how many staff members you currently have. These details help tailor the system to better match your business setup from the very beginning. Once everything is filled in, confirm that you're not a robot, and then click on sign up for free to continue. At this point, you'll receive a verification code on your phone. Simply enter the OTP to confirm your number and complete your account setup. And that's it. Your account is now successfully created and your free trial is ready to go. You can now access your dashboard and start exploring the system, adding more details, and preparing your salon for daily operations.